Okay, so let's look at the adverb spelling rules then. So, most of the time we'll just add ly. So sad turns into sadly. Sadly it happened. Sadly. And if it ends in a consonant, and anything other than an A, E, I, O, U, then we add y. Terrible. There's the consonant. Terribly. Terribly. It was done terribly at night. Why did they do? It was terribly tall for them to climb it together. Oh. And if it ends in an LL, then replace it with LY. Very nice. Fully. It was fully closed last night. He was fully clothed with all the gear on. Fully. LLY. Very nice. And if it's got two syllables and ends in a Y, then we add ILY. So a syllable is how long a word is, how many vowels it has within the word. So Adrian, Adrian, A-D-R-I-A-N, Adrian, pen, pen, whiteboard, white-but-ord, yeah, whiteboard, camera, 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 camera. How many times we say the vowel in the word. So happy, or how many times we say the sound of a vowel as well. So even though it's only got one vowel here, this P, PY sounds like an I. Happy, happy. So happy turns into happily. ILY. Get rid of the Y and add ILY. Happily. We will happily help you up the mountain. I will happily teach you adverbs. Very nice. But if it already ends in an LY, then it's fine, it's the same. No need to change it. LY. Friendly. Friendly. We can use that in a phrase. A friendly game. A friendly football match. It was a friendly team. A very friendly party. Very nice. So, most of the time, add ly. Ends in a consonant, add the y. Terrible, terribly. LL, replace it with ly. Fully. We are fully loaded with gear. Two syllables, syllable. Adrian, camera. Replace the y. Well, two syllables with a y. Two syllables with a y. Then add ILY. Happy, happily. Very nice. How cool is that? Let's keep going.